All right, guys, so here we go. So I did this box and I'm just gonna do it again just to show you guys how I did it. So again, if you're starting out and you're really not sure, first thing you should do is make sure that everything else is off, just the endpoint, and your polar tracking is set on 30 degrees. So all I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna come here. I'm gonna draw a line going straight up. I'm just gonna type in 800. I'm gonna start out with the cube that we did first one. I'll type in 800. This is very, very easy. So again, everybody should be able to do that cube 800. Okay, so now I'm just gonna come right here on 150 and then type in 800. I'm gonna come right here, type in 800. I'm gonna do the same thing over here. I'm gonna type in 800. Okay, right here, I'm gonna find that angle. I'm typing 800. Okay, press enter, then press enter again, then click on the next corner, type in 800. All right, so what we have is just a cube, okay? Very, very, very easy. Everybody should be able to do that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on this line, press delete, click on this line, press delete, click on this line, press delete, okay? So now I'm going to take the cube, I'm going to transform the cube. What I'm going to do, I'm going to come right here, I'm going to go straight up, I'm going to type in 400. And I'm going to come here, I'm going to type in 400. I'm going to come here, I'm going to type in 400. I'm right here, type in 400. Okay, so, and then what I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to put it on 150, I'm going to type in 400. Okay, I'm going to go up, I'm going to type in 400. I'm going to put it on this side, I'm going to type in 400. Okay, so now what we're going to do, what I want you to do, I want you to come right here and just type in 400. Then go straight down right here and type in 400. Okay, now you could find this green line right here and just type in 400. Now you're going to come on this side right here and find 150, type in 400. And find this one, 150, and type in 400. So now here's the shape. And this is not the only way I could have done it. Like I could have done it like with any line, but I decided to do it this way. I believe this is the easiest way. So I hope you guys this video was a little helpful. So please let's get this thing done. Okay? Have a nice day now.